So I'm Dr. Laura James, and I'm here with my good friend, Brenda Frost, who gratefully decided to partner with me in the development of this 4-week intensive program for women with breast cancer. Brenda and I have known each other for 11 years.
Yes.
We got to know each other by both serving on a board of a nonprofit here in the Seattle area. Brenda was the president of the board, and I got roped into a 2-year term as a board member, and believe me, it was a working board. So Brenda and I got to know each other really well.
But I'm so glad you joined our board because you brought such a different level of knowledge and experience. We were all survivors and thrivers. Many of us had been through different types of cancer, but having a naturopathic oncologist as part of our board was really helpful.
Yeah, it was a whole lot of fun for me to be part of that board. But my biggest take home from that organization was really Brenda and Brenda's friendship. So we've had a long friendship at this point, but we both remain very committed to working with populations of women who are cancer survivors. I am a naturopathic oncologist. I've dedicated my practice over the last 21 years to working with adults who have cancer, particularly women with breast cancer, and that's how this course got developed. And Brenda has worked in lots of different capacities with lots of different groups, all working with adult survivors, mostly women, largely women with breast cancer. So you can talk about that.
I choose to use the term thriver.
Yes.
And the reason I choose to use the term thriver is because I have made a point of thriving through my breast cancer diagnosis. I know a lot of people have the approach of, this is the absolute worst thing that can happen to me ever in my life. And sometimes it is, and in that moment it feels that way. But I chose to take a different path, and I chose to take charge of what was going on with me. One of the benefits of getting to know Dr. James has been learning more about the integrative medicine and all those benefits that I didn't have access to when I was first diagnosed and going through treatment, because I didn't know somebody that like Dr. James existed. I think one of the great benefits for people is understanding that it's not just cutting something out or getting radiated or putting chemo in your body. There's a lot of other things that can help you. As I have gone through reconstruction and other surgeries, Dr. James has been there to help me and say, here's some things that can help you as you're recovering from your reconstruction or recovering from any other type of surgery. So I really have benefited from that friendship and from that knowledge that you've been able to share.
Yeah. And Brenda not only is an extraordinary breast cancer thriver, but she does spend a lot of time working with nonprofit organizations, not just the one that we got to know each other through. And she has an incredibly positive outlook when it comes to helping all of these people who really can benefit from tools, positivity, and guidance. So we decided to partner. When you partner in business, that can definitely test a friendship. But I have to say, overall, it's been really fun working with Brenda. We're very like-minded in the way we go about things and the way we organize ourselves. And we're both really committed to helping women with breast cancer thrive. So we're both excited to be part of this online course team. We hope that you get a lot out of this course, that you refer this course to people that you might know. And we look forward to taking your questions, having some conversations, and sharing our experiences, both mine as a provider and Brenda's as a resiliency coach and a thriver.
You know what I'm looking forward to?
What?
I'm looking forward to the opportunity to talk to people about how they're learning and dealing with their cancer diagnosis as they go through this course and after taking each of the resiliency modules. So I'll be running those every month, so I look forward to talking to you and hearing what's going on and what we can do to help you continue to thrive and grow and change and be alive.
Yep. Thanks so much. It's Dr. Laura and Brenda. We'll talk to you soon.